IRA to Roth conversion, the full breakdown. If you have a traditional IRA, a 401k, or 403b, every dollar in those accounts has never been taxed. You got a tax break when you put the money in, and it felt great at the time, but here's the deal. When you take that money out in retirement, you pay taxes on every single dollar, not just the growth, everything. The IRS is waiting at the exit door. A Roth IRA is the opposite. You don't get a tax break when the money is going in. You pay the tax up front, but everything that comes out is tax-free. The growth, tax-free. The income, tax-free. Forever. No taxes in retirement on that money, period. So what's a Roth conversion? It's when you move money from a traditional IRA into a Roth IRA. You pay taxes on the amount that you move at today's tax rate. And from that point forward, that money grows and comes out tax-free for the rest of your life. There's no limit on how much you can convert, and there's no income restriction on conversions like there is on a Roth contribution. So why would someone do this? One word, gang, and it's taxes. The national debt is over $36 trillion right now. Congress recently made today's tax rates permanent through the One Big Beautiful Bill. And that sounds great, but permanent doesn't mean forever. With $36 trillion in debt, somebody's going to have to pay for that eventually. If tax rates go up in the future, and a lot of smart people think they will, every dollar sitting in your traditional IRA gets taxed at that higher tax rate. A Roth conversion lets you pay the tax now at a known rate instead of later at an unknown rate. That's not a guess, that's a hedge. Now, here's where it connects to annuities. You can do a Roth conversion inside a fixed annuity contract. Your money moves from a traditional Roth, you pay the tax, and now it sits inside a fixed annuity, earning a guaranteed rate with principal protection and zero market risk. And every dollar that comes out is tax-free. Guaranteed income for life that the IRS, they can't touch it. Some annuity contracts charge a fee for this conversion, others charge zero. Same conversion, different contract, different cost. So always ask what the contractual fees are going to be so you know. And one more thing, there are 2 rules you need to know. The 5-year rule says your Roth account needs to be open for at least 5 years before earnings come out tax-free. And if you're under 59 and a half, you could face a 10% penalty on the converted amount if you withdraw it within the first 5 years. So this works best as a long-term play, not a short-term one. The Roth conversion is one of the most powerful moves in retirement planning, but it is not right for everybody. It depends on your current tax bracket, your expected future rate, and how long until you need to access that money. So educate yourself, know the rules, and always ask what the contract charges before you sign anything.